and I'm very honored to have all of you here with us. Kisala dyan nga matipon naman ang kadungan vice mayors sa nagkalain yung banwa. Pasensya lang kung hindi ko ka mo masara-sara. No? Pero thank you for your presence because this ordinance is for you and for your Sanggunian. Unang salamat Kate, Vice Mayor Alvin Lusariad, your President of the Vice Mayor's Team. Palapakan niyo. Sa tanan man, of course, we have here our different councilors, kag ang sa aton mga SB Secretary. Panawalan, dapat may SB Secretary. Kisa, wala naman na lang iba, wala gawag matik, mayan, tinami, wala kong tatlo gid ka tao ang i-invite per municipality. Also our board members who are with us. Again, Board Member Joanne Herminanda, our newest board member. Palakpakan taluan. Board Member Joanne Herminanda, siya ni ang nagbulos kay former board member ng Chete, who is now the SWD Regional Director. So, sinamo namin man, the Regional Director, taga-aton din, of course, again, as I mentioned previously, Board Munsig, Board Oso, Board Jason, and the other board members who are coming. Thank you din. No? Salamat din. Sa mga secretaries, may presidente, magdamo. In association. So again, no, thank you. Thank you din for being here. Ang ining ordinansa, nadihon ini sa nagligat pa nga tuig. I started this planning about this. So, before, when we were going around in the different Sanggunian in Iloilo, in the province of Iloilo, lain-lain ang estilo, naglain-lain ang kalidad, ang efficiency, lain-lain man. But now, what we want is to bring everyone together kag sa kaon tanin ang quality of our Sanggunian bayan. No gani, this is just a launching pa lang ini. But ang contest sini will start next year. Pero ang aton nga ang year na to will be this year, starting this year. Para may preparasyon man kamo, no? Hindi nga ma-launch na kita tapos kini ang year ta previous year pa. No. We want to start, we want to make this a good start for all of us. Kaya gusto to man nga quality man ang aton performance for this year. No, so kapasalamat kami, no, sa inyong tanan for because of this, no, tungod man sini, I believe that we will be a better Sanggunian. Hindi lang a better Sanggunian bayan, but also a better province because of our pag-uptanay to make it a very efficient Sanggunian bayan. Sa tanan man niya, ulihi, pasensya lang, no? But again, welcome to all of you. Of course, thank you again kay Director Carmelo. Thank you from our DILG, who is our partner. Ang pangatawan, siya ang maging partner sa aton sini nga hagna sa outstanding Sanggunian. Actually, we are basing the criteria partially also on the DILG. Pala nyo man, ang iban man partially sa iban sa local government code. So, the director will be presenting to us the criteria later on. Kag passive, ay makita mo kamo or may ma-comment man kamo, we are still welcoming all those comments, no, so may mga different siya kamo nga makita or positive ones. So again, no, thank you again. And again, let us work together for the province of Iloilo. Salamat din.